What if you could run entire AI company with a CEO, researchers, analysts, all working autonomously while you sleep? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that on Windows, completely free using open source tool called Paperclip. No VPS, no GPU, no expensive subscription. So let's go straight into it. Alright, before we jump into the setup, let me quickly show you what the Paperclip is. Because this isn't just another AI tool, this is something completely different. So most of the AI tools give you one agent, one assistant. You talk to it, it does the task, and that's where the story ends. But Paperclips give you the entire company. So you start with a CEO agent, a real orchestrator. It wakes up on the schedule, read your task, plan the work, then delegates everything to the team of specialized agents, researchers, analysts, and writers, whatever your company needs to hit its goal. Here is the interesting part. The agent you are about to see, I did not create any of them. The CEO did. It automatically hired and configured a full team. Research analyst, data validator, and report writers, all generated in real time based on the mission I gave it. So you set the objective, the CEO figure out how to achieve them. And Paperclip is completely open source, released under the MIT license, and already sitting at 36K GitHub stars. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to run it on Windows, fully local and completely free. Alright, let's kick off the setup. First, check your Windows version. You need Windows 10 or higher, and make sure that Node.js and Git are already installed. I'm on the Node version 24, anything around that is perfect. Now we're going to set up two essential tools. Tool number 1, PNPM. This is a package manager Paperclip relies on handling all dependencies quickly and efficiently. Then tool number 2, OpenCode. Think of this as an orchestrator, the engine that actually runs your AI agent locally. Without OpenCode, your agent simply can't execute the task. So with that in place, let's create a project directory and clone the full Paperclip framework straight from the GitHub. I will also put all these commands in my GitHub page, so you don't need to copy anything manually. Additionally, we'll create an output folder here. This is where the agent will drop the result as markdown file. Next, install all dependencies. This takes about a minute. Before we run the Paperclip, there is one Windows specific fix you absolutely need. Paperclip inject the skills using the shame links or symbolic link, but Windows block them unless the developer mode is enabled. So just run this command. Windows will ask for the admin permission, hit yes, and you should see the operation completed successfully. Now the fun part, launch the app. You will see a Paperclip banner appears in the terminal with the server running on port 3100. Just open your browser and head into local IP address :3100. Boom, the Paperclip is live. Alright, now let's actually build our AI company. The moment you open the Paperclip, you will see an onboarding wizard. This is where everything starts coming together. First, choose a company name. I'm calling mine Funding Tracker. Then set the mission and make it specific. My mission here is monitor the start of funding news in Southeast Asia and produce a daily digest report. Next, it's time to create your first agent. And this is your CEO, and it's the only agent you ever create manually. Every other roles in your company will be hired automatically from this point onward. For the adapter, you will see the option like Cloud Code and Codex. Ignore those, we are going fully local and fully free. Click more adapter type, then select OpenCode, the local engine we installed earlier. The Paperclip show you the list of open source models. I'm choosing Qwen 3.6 plus free. No API key, no cost, just run locally. Hit test now. The Paperclip pings OpenCode, verify the connection, and everything is good. You will see a green passed. Great, our CEO agent is officially ready. Now comes to the part most people mess up, the task. This needs to be clear, detailed, and structured. So here is an example. Task title, monitor and report Southeast Asia startup funding news. Description, you are the CEO of research operation. Do not do the research yourself. Hire research analyst to find the recent startup funding news in Southeast Asia. With the company name, amount raised, investors, and sector. Hire the data validator to verify and clean the research findings. Hire the report writer to compile the validated findings into clean daily digest. Post it as a comments on the issue and save it as a markdown file in the output folder. So the point here is, the more precise your instructions, the smarter your agent behaves. Click next, then create and open issues. Just like that, our AI company is officially live in few minutes. And almost immediately, you will see something very interesting happen. Alright, the moment we hit launch, we are taken straight to the issues page. You will see Fund 1 at the top. Fund stands for Funding Tracker, our company name. This is issue number 1, the exact task we created a moment ago. And right away, watch this. A live runs banner pop up at the bottom. That means the CEO agent has already woken up and it's thinking, planning and making tool calls in the background. No prompt, no message from me. It just started. Click open run and we just jump into the CEO run tab. We can see the run is active, powered by Qwen 3.6. And the transcript is streaming live. This is CEO reading the task we wrote and figuring out what needs to happen next. Now go back to the fun one and scroll in the comment section, and this is where things gets interesting. The CEO did not start the research, it started hiring the team. It submitted 3 automatic hire requests: research analyst, data validator, report writer. And it's already outlined exact what each role should do. Research analyst gather the funding data, data validator verify and clean it, report writer compile everything into clean markdown digest. And these hire requests land into the inbox. The paperclip system approves them automatically. If you prefer, you can switch to manual approvals in system, but here everything happens on its own. In few seconds later, CEO posts all 3 hires approved and delegated. And look at the subtask it created. Fund 2 research analyst, Fund 3 data validator, depends on the Fund 2. Fund 4 report writer, depends on Fund 3. The CEO just built a complete sequence pipeline automatically. No input from me. Pipeline is ready. Research analyst can start immediately. Alright, look at the sidebar. You will see all the 4 agents live and running: CEO, research analyst, data validator and report writer. Eventually, the CEO goes idle, that is expected. Its job was to read the task, hire the team and build the workflow. Now the sub-agents will take over. Click on the research analyst, you will see it runs an assignment first. That's the actual task from the CEO, followed by the automation, which is actually its heartbeat loop. It checks if any new work is available and execute when needed. Open the configuration tab, you will see everything the CEO set up: name, title, role, capabilities, reporting structure, adapter, all auto-generated by the CEO. Back on the issue page, you will see Fund 2 completed, Fund 3 is completed, and finally Fund 4 also completed. So the whole pipeline has run end to end. Check the activity log, read it from bottom to top. You will see the entire story. Company created, CEO hired 3 agents, pipeline executed, and finally task completed. Great, now let me break down and explain the system behind this. So we wrote one task. The CEO agent wakes up on the scheduled heartbeat. Think of it like a recurring alarm. It reads your task, decide what team it needs, and use a built-in skill called paperclip create agent to hire a new agent. Paperclip auto approves these hires unless you switch to the manual mode. Once the agent exists, the CEO automatically builds the pipeline. The research analyst gathers the raw data. Data validator waits, then verify and clean it. Report writer waits, then compiles the final digest. Sequential, dependent, fully automated. Every agent uses open code as a runtime. Everything runs locally with a 0 cloud usage and 0 API cost. When the job is done, the final output appears as a markdown file on the output folder. When do you see the dashboard? Anytime you want to see the full company overview, active agents, pipeline progress, task in queue, or your monthly spends. With a local model, the spend is always 0. Think of the dashboard as your command center. Your agent do the work and you just check in. Total cost is 0. Now let's look at what the agent actually produces. You'll find 2 markdown files in the output folder. First, raw research file generated by research analyst. 10 startup funding rounds across Southeast Asia, Q1 2026. Company names, amount raised, investors, sector, notes, everything laid cleanly. Then open the daily digest, the polished report created by the report writer. You get executive summary, mega deals table, mid-stage funding rounds, detailed per company breakdowns, trend analysis, market outlook. Over 550 million in funding rounds. AI is dominating. Malaysia is racing fast. And fintech is still resilient. And all this is happened autonomously. I wrote one task, the CEO handled the rest. So end of the day, what does this actually give you? A fully automated, self-organizing research team running on your laptop for free. You define the mission, the CEO hires the right people, the agent execute the work. And this is just scratching the surface. Imagine scheduling this run every morning. A fresh funding digest waiting for you when you wake up. Or you can swap this use case completely. Market intelligence, news monitoring, outreach research, same setup, different task. Multi-agent is no longer crowd-friendly or expensive experiment. You can run it locally on Windows with a free model today. All related contents and the full setup guides are on my GitHub, link in the comments. And finally, if you enjoyed this walkthrough, please like this video and share it with the AI community. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Take care.